Assalamualaikum guys. Today we are going to make pancake. What we need: pancake, oil, a glass of water and egg. So let's start. फिजा आप भी बनाएं. आप. So we need an egg first. So we are done with that. Now, next is oil. Now I have a pancake powder. If you want to know the name, you can ask me in comment section. Now we are mixing all the things. Now we are going to add some water. Now mixture is ready. We are going to bake. Now it's bake time. I'm coming. Pancake is ready. Now I am going to decorate it with pancake syrup and milk packed cream. I'm done with decorating my pancake. It's looking yummy. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.